What's the best way to start an online business and make money online in the easy way with no degree, no experience, and purely for beginners? What are the pros and cons? And more importantly, what aligns with you and which ones could you start so that you can have one or more, let's say multiple streams of income starting now? The first one is freelancing. Freelancing is exactly how I started while I was actually still in my corporate job, and it was my way of figuring out, hey, I can actually earn money online and do more and more of that. And so it was really my first steps into the online world and making money online. You all have skills, and it's those skills that you can perform in order to get money for it. So in essence, freelancing is your talent, your skill that you have. You sell that and you help perform a task or a project for somebody else and you get paid for it. You are in essence your own boss, so you have to make sure that you have your own equipment, it's your own time, you've put in your own taxes, and you're not, it's not for an employer, you're actually your own employer. Now, examples are graphic designs, web coding, website creations, but also music, proofreading, translating. Oh my goodness, the options are endless. Maybe you're good in accountant, in financing, in data research, in voiceovers. It is really, really endless. And for me, when I started proofreading. I started with some translations, but I also started with checking CVs because I was pretty good in that. I just used what I had as experiences and skills that I could offer to others. So that's really how I started. I no longer do that, but it is so easy to start. The pros are that you get paid by the hour. So really, look, you get to set your own time, your own schedule. You accept or decline, the work that, so you get to choose. The con is, or disadvantage is, that as you are paid by the hour, it means that when you're not working, you're not earning. When you're sick and you can't work, you're not earning. When you want to take a holiday and you're not working, you're not earning. So yeah, it is really dependent on you and your actual time that you put into it. And the next disadvantage, I would say, is that it might be challenging to get started and to get your first client. But once you get a few clients and you get a few reviews and feedback, testimonials, it really goes easy. And that's how I started. You have to start somewhere. So the easiest platforms to start are Upwork and Fiverr. You put your profile on there, you start applying for some jobs, people start finding you, and boom, you select, you choose, and you start earning money online. If you're not sure what your skill is, what your talent is, what you could actually do to monetize your skills, or actually, in other words, what is your sweet spot? I have a free download right below that will really help you find your sweet spot and really give you some questions to ponder upon, and that will make it easier for you to think, hey, maybe I should put on my profile, that I'm actually good in communication, in email, in writing, in, whatever it is that aligns with you. Number 2 is selling digital products. Now, hold on here. When you're thinking selling a digital product, that's not for me. I'm not technical. I don't have experience. That's exactly what I first thought, until I realized that it's so much easier these days than you actually think. You can simply have a checklist, a recipe, a bundle of recipes, some music, art, designs. The options are endless. When you have a digital product, you can then put it on eBay, put it on Amazon, put it on Etsy, whatever work, art, knitting, clothing design. A client of mine, she even started making extra cash because she was designing some t-shirts. Everything is digital. She never actually has a t-shirt in her hands. Everything is digital, and then you put it on a platform like eBay, like Amazon, like Etsy, where everything is done for you. So that's a big advantage. You don't have to worry about a checkout or a process or the customer service because of something technical issue or any of that. Those are all advantages. Another advantage is it's pretty much hands-free. I mean, yes, you create the product once, you do it once, and then it's pretty much hands-off and the money can come in, right? You can just keep promoting it and money comes in. However, having said that, when I say you keep promoting it, that could be a disadvantage because obviously if you put your work on a website or on a platform, that is pretty straightforward, but then who's gonna find it? So it is important to promote it, and that could be a disadvantage. But on the other hand, I've read a book, and I actually put that in the description below, and that is called Show Me Your Work. And I love that because it makes it so easy to sometimes a lot of people are afraid of like, oh wait, I don't want to be so visible, and I don't want to sell, and I don't want to market, and I don't like all of that. But if you think about, wait a minute, this is what I love doing, this is my passion, and I'm just showing what I'm doing. I'm just showing the results of what I created. Or I'm showing the process. You know, it's not like, oh, I'm marketing, I'm selling, I'm promoting. No, but you're showing your work. And at the end of the day, if it's your passion and your talent and your skill, just show it. Why not? It is you. It is part of you, right? So I'll put that link below as well. Number 3 is not my favorite. I'm keeping my very favorite to the end, but I need to mention this because it is certainly an option that might be right for you. And that is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you are promoting a product or a program from somebody else and you get a commission for that. That is in essence what it is. So you don't have to create anything. That's a huge advantage. If you're like, I don't know what you create, I'm not creative, I'm not technical, I don't know how to do all of this, but you love somebody else's product or program, you put the word out and you sell that to other people. Every time you sell that, you get a commission for it. So it's really straightforward, it's really easy. But the disadvantage is, who are you gonna sell it to? And that is why it's my least favorite, because I want to make this video about easy ways that require no effort, no degree, no experience, and also usually the clients that come to me have no following or no audience. So this would be an option, but then who are you selling it to? So who is the audience you're going to sell it to? And that can take time to build, to grow a following, to grow an audience. Because if you keep talking about a certain product or program, you have to be visible, you have to market it, you have to promote it so that people can actually buy it, and then you get a commission. So the advantage is you don't have to create anything. You don't have to worry about any customer service because it's not even your product or program. You just have to put the word out. But the disadvantage is if you have no following and no audience, then who is gonna buy it and when are you finally getting a commission? So it could be something that you can start, but it might take a lot of time and a lot of effort to have an audience, to keep promoting it and to actually get money coming in. Yeah, so, you know, it's up to you. But if you're a big fan, or like examples are, especially beauty products, you know, that maybe there are beauty products that you really like and you just can't stop talking about it and you can get a commission for selling them, great. I would though recommend and give you a little piece of warning, because there are people out there that tell you, look, you have to buy something or invest in something and then you can become an affiliate. I would really be careful about that, because to be honest, if I offer affiliates, I'm not gonna ask anybody to buy from me. I'm gonna say, look, if you can sell my program and sell my course, hey, I'm happy to give you 20, 30, 40, sometimes I even, 50%. Why not? You know, it's win-win. That's how I see it. I just want you to make money. I wanted to make money. I don't wanna invest and have costs. So moving forward, if you like this so far, hit the like button. And also if you want more videos about escaping your 9-to-5, making money online, knowing the steps and the plan to actually be able to quit your job, then please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos as well. But where are we? Number 4 we are right now is content creation. What does content creation mean? Content creation is literally that. You create content. It could be blogging, it could be writing articles, it could be writing on your website or somebody else's website, guest blogging, that is called. It could be making videos, just like what I'm doing. If you want to inform or educate or write, content writing is right for you. Advantages are you can be creative all day long. You can write about things that you are good at, that you really enjoy. You can be as specific as you want. The other thing is that you attract traffic through Google searches. If you have a good, you put some keywords in there, you're very specific, you get a lot of views on your articles, on your work. Other than that, there is no product, there is no sale, there is no marketing, there is no customer service, there is no customer complaints, because what you do is you deliver content. The disadvantage is that it could take time to start earning money from it. So yes, you can create a lot of content and it takes time to be picked up by Google, to be found by an audience, to be found by followings. And so yes, it can be time consuming and you may have to put up a lot of content. Just like I'm making a lot of videos to help and to grow the following. And if you like my content, then you know what to do. Hit the like and the subscribe. When you're a content creator, you could be selling courses. Like I'm a coach, I sell my coaching. I talk about content, I educate, I inform people, I give a ton of tips on how to earn money online, how to quit your job, what steps to take. And if you want to know more, then you can, talk to me and I can help you as a coach. But you could also be creating content and have sponsorship money coming in, or do collaborations with others and have money coming in, or have products that you sell and have money coming in. You can do paid ads and attract more traffic through paid ads. But again, I don't do that because I like to keep it no cost and easy and simple, but it is a choice. I said the last one is my very, very, very favorite, and that is coaching and consulting. And it is also something that even if you're thinking, but I don't have a coaching degree, or I don't have a certificate, or I wouldn't know, still, I want you to keep listening, because you have a skill and you have talents. And if you're like me and you're stuck in a job, first of all, you are in a job because you have experience, because you have talents, because you're doing something that at least your boss likes, because you have a job. So again, that's why I made this free download, the Discover Your Sweet Spot, because there is a talent, a passion. It's really the intersection between your talents, your passion, and your mission that you can monetize. Now, as a coach or a consultant, maybe you're good in insurances, in accounting, in finances. What are things that you enjoy teaching other people? What are things that people come to you for help? Those are signs that you are good in something and you can monetize that. You're so comfortable in your job that you're not thinking deep enough. And so when I first start working with my clients, we really go deep into, wait a minute, what is it that deep down you're really passionate about, but also what you're good at, what you've been helping people with, but you're not really paying attention to it. Like sometimes we do things so naturally that we forget. We forget what comes naturally to you, and we just, as a robot, as an automated robot, we keep doing our job for our boss, and we give our time and energy away for a boss to grow the company. But as a coach and a consultant, you can make good, decent money. You can work by the hour. You can work in packages for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months. You can be a brand designer and create a package and coach somebody. You could be a consultant in accounting. You could be a graphic designer, website designer. You could also teach or coach in music, in singing, in art. There is a ton of ways, and more coaches are needed, and more people are accepting the help of coaching. So even if you're like, but there's a ton of coaches out there, there's space for you. Do I need to give you more advantages? It is very fulfilling, meaningful. You're your own boss. You can make a decent amount of money, up to 6 figures if you want to. You schedule your own time, your own freedom. You can work location independent, just like I am, traveling the world. The disadvantage I can think of is you have to get started. You have to get started with your first client. And once then the ball gets rolling, word of mouth, and you can get more and more experience under your belt. But it's definitely something I would consider. And again, download that free guide of uncovering your sweet spot. There you have it. You have 5 business ideas to make money online. And I would love for you to comment what idea resonates with you, or what ideas you may want to start with, or what you already started with, or maybe you have other ideas. So, I would love to see your comment and love to know where you're at. And please make sure you check the next videos about, if you're wanting to transition careers, find something new, or earn more money online. Financial freedom is there for you. I'll see you in the next one.